This video will cover a cooling system pressure test to inspect your system for leaks on a Volvo 240. This can be completed over a coffee break. Many auto parts stores will typically have pressure test kits available to rent, and some will reimburse the rental fee once they're returned. The Volvo Green Book says to splice the pressure tester in between the reservoir and the radiator. To do this, find a hose that is the same size as the breather hose and splice the two together with a T-fitting. Next, you can find a way to attach the pump directly to your fitting, or attach a step-down adapter to the expandable radiator adapter and secure it to the fitting with a hose clamp. You can also take one of the expandable adapters and securely fit it to the reservoir with the radiator cap removed in place of a T-fitting, or use one of the appropriately sized radiator cap adapters. Connect the plunger to the adapter. Pump your pressure to the opening pressure of the reservoir cap, which can be found on the cap itself. Mine reads 75 kPa, which is about 11 psi. The pressure should not noticeably drop for 30 seconds. If it does start to drop, start checking your cooling system for leaks. I found a leak on the inside of my car at the heater core firewall port. Once fixed, check the pressure again. If it stays within the range for 30 seconds, you're all done. Enjoy your Volvo 240.